Okay, here we have grapes, 2 grapes. And next to that we have a blackberry and a blueberry and a topsy-turvy tomato. And then we have 2 big tomatoes. I think one's grape and the other's cherry. We have probably 30 plus tomatoes on there. And then a big boy tomato. And back here we have zucchini, cantaloupe, strawberries, lavender, the Japanese eggplant, some more rosemary, cilantro, New Mexico pepper, red bell, another red bell, orange bell, jalapeno, with those big guys on there, Thai chili, and garden salsa. Then coming back here we have the angel's trumpet. There's one. There's the other. Then we have 3 oleanders. We're going to be cutting that dirt out in there, making a mound. 1 arborvitae, 2, 3, 4, and oleander.